Hi, my name's Sean, your pre-owned sales manager at Volkswagen Waterloo. Are you considering getting rid of your vehicle? You have options. Whether you trade in your vehicle or simply sell the vehicle outright, it can be difficult to know when the best time is to act. Did you know that there's a perfect window of opportunity where your vehicle may have positive equity? If you're leasing or financing your vehicle, there's usually a point in the process where your vehicle is worth more than your current outstanding balance. This tipping point usually occurs past the halfway point with your lease or finance, but can vary depending on several factors, including the length of your loan, the amount you put down, and the current value of your vehicle. Whether you first finance your vehicle, either through leasing or financing, what you owe will exceed the vehicle's market value. Upon delivery of your vehicle, fees and taxes inflate the debt beyond the market value of the car. Over time, what you owe the financer for your vehicle diminishes. It is important to note that your vehicle is also diminishing in value during this time, just more slowly than your debt against the vehicle. At a certain point, the value of the vehicle will become greater than the debt owed against it. Once this occurs, you have positive equity, meaning that if you sell your vehicle, you will receive more money than is owed to the financial institution that holds a lien on your vehicle. This means that you can exit your vehicle with cash in hand or a down payment on your next vehicle, leading to lower monthly payments. Our team at VW Waterloo can assist by consulting with you, appraising your vehicle, and informing you what the best opportunity is for you to sell your vehicle. It is difficult as a vehicle owner to know when the right time is, and current manufacturing constraints and inventory shortages are resulting in extraordinarily strong pre-owned vehicle values. Schedule an appraisal using our online tool or call us today at 519-884-7470 to help determine if the time to trade in your vehicle is just right.
Volkswagen.